Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Today we are going to discuss about the very important thing about your future, about best AME colleges in India to pursue this AME course. But before we start, I want to clear you that I have made this video not as promotional to any college, but according to my research about this college, student reviews and Dgca side information, and I don't want to hurt anyone. So let's get started. One more thing, all the colleges mentioned here is approved by Dgca and it is 147 approved, and it is approved as on 10 July 2019. So I will mention only those 147 approved colleges here.
Dgca has divided its department, or we can say AME department, into 4 main regions, that is Northern, Eastern, Western and Southern. The Southern region has 2 main regions, so as you can see here. It is also called Regional Airworthiness Offices, or in short RAO. Also, it has got sub-RAOs, you can see here in the chart. Remember that all examination is conducted in RAO and sub-RAO regions only, in spite of college location. Now I have mentioned colleges which is best of others, and to know complete list of colleges, visit my Instagram page where I have mentioned all colleges according to the region. All colleges does not have full scope. Now what is full scope? There are 2 basic streams, Mechanical and Avionics. Mechanical is further divided into A and B1, while Avionics is simply B2. Category A is a task training, while Category B1 and B2 is a type training course. Now, to make you understand properly, let us take an example of Ritik. Ritik wants admission in AME College. He stays in Mumbai and he wants to become AME. So he go to take admission in AME College, which has full scope, that is B1.1, B1.3 and B2. Apart from this college also has Category A license. So he is confused what to choose. So he asked a manager there to explain him about this AME course. So manager explained him like this: see Ritik, there are generally 5 categories of license, that is A, B1, B2, B3 and C. Ritik asked again, which is best, tell me. Manager says, listen, each category has its own advantage. Category A is called task training, where you can perform certain tasks on aircraft but you cannot sign complete aircraft. Ritik says, I want to be an AME, so tell me when I can sign complete aircraft. Then manager told him, B1 and B2 category license holder can sign complete aircraft, and this category is type training. Also, B1 includes all the category of A. Ritik again asked what it means. Manager replied, B1 or B2, that is type training, means you can perform all the tasks, but category A holder can perform limited tasks. Rohit again asked, now what is meant by category C? Manager replied that category C is for the base maintenance of an aircraft. You cannot get it while studying in college, or in short, it is not taught in college. So at last to conclude that there is category A, B1 and B2 courses available in our colleges, and you must choose the course wisely. Category A license holder has limited workload and get good rewards, while category B1 license holder has lots of responsibility and heavy workload. That is, it requires both physical and psychological strength. That's why return is high. Category B2 is avionics, so they need to have lots of patience and require more of psychological strength. Now we will see the best colleges for AME course in India out of 45 total AME 147 approved colleges. Now according to region, the colleges are divided into 4 zones. The Northern region has 13 colleges, Eastern region has 2 colleges, Western region has 16 colleges and Southern region has 14 colleges, each in Bangalore and Chennai. There is only 3 AME colleges in India which has full scope, rest all are having either A1, B1 or B2. and watch this video till end to know the best college of India. Now let's begin the countdown. Number 11. School of Aeronautics, situated in Nimrana, Rajasthan. It has B1.1 and B2 category courses available. It is a beautiful college and has solid infrastructure, hostel, and has been successful in providing good placement to its students. It is affiliated for B.Tech program with Technical University of Kota. Number 10. PAWAN, situated in New Delhi and Vileparle, Mumbai. It has B1.3 and B2 courses in Delhi while B1.3 in Mumbai. It is a government college and one of the few colleges for B1.3. In New Delhi, it has tie-up with Jamia Millia University for BSc program in aeronautics. It has limited placement because it is government organization and has few vacancies. Number 9. SHIB Group. It is India's biggest AME college group and consists of 13 colleges in various places in India. It is being in controversy due to few issues related with the approval. Many student claims it provides fake assurance and does not provide placement. But it is largest group and has B1.1 and B2 approval in almost all colleges. Few colleges of this group in Bhopal, Bhubaneswar and Bengaluru are of good quality. Overall, it is underrated college. Number 8. Nehru College of Aeronautics, located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. It has B1.1 and B2 approval. It has BSc in Aeronautical Science, BBA in Aviation Management and various other courses. It has better management and great opportunity for young aspirants. It has placement in Air India, Indigo, Vistara, Etihad and Emirates. Overall, it is a good college. Number 7. INDRAPRAST Institute of Aeronautics at Gurgaon, Haryana. It has A1, A4, B1.1, B1.4 and B2 approval. It is not full scope but only Institute of India having A4 category approval. It has good infrastructure, hostel facility and better labs for training. It also provides scholarship to students who have given AME CET entrance examination. It charges fees around 4.6 lakh for 2 years excluding hostel. It assures the placement in various airlines such as British Airways, Indigo, Emirates and many more. Number 6. INDIRA Institute of Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, located in Pune, Maharashtra. It has B2 approval only and one of the best college for B2 category in India. It has classic infrastructure including hostel, its own hangar for training. It charges around 6.2 lakh for 2 years and provides BSc course in aviation. It provides placements in Air India, INDRAPRAST, GoAir, Global Vectra and few other organizations. Overall, it is better institute for this course. Moving towards top 5. Number 5. Aeronautical Training Institute, located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It is one of the 3 institutes having B1.1, B1.3 and B2 category approval in India. It is government institute and has many aircraft to be worked on for training purpose. It has its own hangar in Lucknow Airport, hostel, and it is one of the cheapest institute to pursue this course. Overall, it is better college and good passing record. Number 4. Star Aviation Academy, situated at Gurgaon, Haryana. It has B1.1 and B2 category approval. It has overall good module passing ratio and charge around 3.6 lakh for 2 years. It has placed students in Indigo, Air India, SpiceJet, Airworks, Global Vectra, GMR and few international airlines such as KLM, Air Saudia, Lufthansa, etc. Overall, it is best college in northern region to pursue this course. Number 3. ALPINE Institute of Aeronautics at Dehradun, Uttarakhand. It has B1.1, B1.2, B1.3, B2 that is full scope approval. Also, it has BSc in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. It has one of the best infrastructure and it has its own hangar, cafeteria and hostel. It provides placement in national and international airlines and in MROs such as Air India, SpiceJet, Indigo, All Nippon Airline, Cathay Pacific, Etihad, Airworks, Blue Dart are few to name. It is one of the best colleges in North region. Number 2. School of AME, located in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. This college has B1.1 and B2 approval. You will be glad to hear that this college is part of Intercorp Group. That is the group which owns Indigo, India's biggest airline. So this is the college with great opportunity and for better aviation experience. It has Hawker HS-125 twin-engine aircraft, has 12 well-equipped workshops, other labs for learning purpose, great infrastructure, and most important thing is placement in Indigo Airlines or other airlines and MROs. It is new in this field of education, but it is run by India's biggest airline group, so success rate is huge. So let's have a look at our best of all AME colleges in India. Actually, there is a tie between two colleges. Yes, number 1 colleges are IIA Group and TED College. Let's have a look at IIA Group. It is oldest AME institute in India. It has 2 colleges, JRN in New Delhi and BIA in Patna. It has A1, B1.1 approval in both colleges. It is one of the few colleges having both Dgca and YASA approval. It has excellent 38 years of experience in this field. It has various global partners and successfully placed their bright students in them. It has beautiful and complete infrastructure, hangar, CBT lab and hostel. Overall to say, top college to pursue AME course. Thakur Institute of Aviation Technology, located at Kandivali, Mumbai. It is one of the most successful colleges in India. It has been awarded the best or top AME colleges in India 2018. It is Dgca and YASA 147 approved. It has best infrastructure out of 45 colleges. It has its own 7th floor building with CBT and AC labs. Also, it has VR simulation and only college to have it in India. It is full scope approved, that is B1.1, B1.3 and B2 approved, and provide BSc in industrial science. It has its own hangar. It has Learjet and Storm and Cessna aircraft as well as 747-200 aircraft cockpit mockup. It has one of the best instructor in India and best of all college to pursue AME course in India. So I hope you have got a good knowledge and information from this video, and now you have watched complete video. Here is a bonus for you. To know much more about aviation news, I have made a WhatsApp group in which you will get all news updates and learn more about aviation. Its name is AVIATIONA2Z News Updates. So you can join using the link given in the description. Also, subscribe this channel and click on a bell icon to get all the notification first, and share this video with your friend and hit a like. That's it for today. Keep watching Aviation A to Z.